Hey guys, welcome back to another Game of Now or Setback Sunday. You never know with these videos, but alright, we are continuing our Amnesia, and I may have figured out a solution to this puzzle, and it made no sense whatsoever. Yeah, I totally didn't look that up or anything. Anyway. Doesn't fix the elevator. We still have one more thing we gotta fix. Alright, let's see what we got. It's been a while, so I gotta remember what I have. A machine part made out of wood and metal. Oh, that's right, flow cycle rod. But it looks like I need two more, so... Oh, whoops. Whoopsie daisies. Alrighty. Oh, hang on guys, I just gotta fix one software thing. A little awkward pause in the moment, so sorry. Alright, there we go, we're back. I had just watched Paint's After Ever After, so now some Disney songs are stuck in my head. Alright, I'm running in circles. I don't think the flow cycle rods are down here. Yeah, because you see, there's 3 holes and I only have 1. So let's head back to the common area. Oh, it's stuck. That is stuck in my head. Alright. Some more creepy little texts. That looks really weird when it does that loading page because it falls out of screen placement a little bit. I don't notice that. Alright, how many tinder boxes do we have? 16 tinder boxes. Whoa, flashback.
Don't forget your bag, Daniel.
I won't, Herbert.
There is no shame in using a parasol in the desert. As it happens, it's imperative to your survival.
But it looks ridiculous.
The shade will hurt much less than dying, I assure you.
That fountain is so creepy. What was the point of that flashback? I had already been through here. God, that thing is... I'm gonna look down here again. I'm wiping my nose a lot. Allergies. They usually come in the spring, but since it's fall time with school, I don't think it should be acting up, but whatever. There it goes, falls out of screen placement again. I am so sorry guys, it's stuck in my head. I really don't want to get it stuck in your head. Alright. Let's get down to business. No oil. I am not using oil, because I have none. I have tinder boxes. So I will find stuff to light. Oh, that girl screaming. Quiet. I just hate opening doors. I hate it. Oh, I guess the oil thing's a habit, huh? I should find stuff to light up then. Light the candle. Oh hey, a tinderbox, how did I miss that? What's this, a shoe scuffer? Is this a shoe scuffer? No, I don't know how to use that. God, it's getting really, really... So many boxes, nothing in them. About to run out of oil, then what? Guess nothing's down here. Really don't want like a wasted episode on you guys of me just running around. And the editing it would take to just... Hang on. There's some doors I didn't go through. Oh, hang on, my software is failing again. What the heck? God, this is stupid. Equipment. Okay, equipment. That makes sense. Oh, is this the place I just came down to? Oh. Yep. Get me out of here. The girl's screaming. And that door still won't budge. Machine parts. Ah, but it's blocked off. Wait, hold on. My journal. The rubble from a cave-in is hindering further passage in the storage. Find a way to get through. Wait, didn't I receive a note about... Hold on. There was something about explosive mixture. I have prepared the explosives you are needed for clearing the flood drain. I can't stress enough how important it is that the mixture is handled with care. Please try to tell your feather-brained servants this before you go ahead with your plans. The liquids are not by themselves explosive and should be kept separated to avoid further mishaps. I've arranged 2 large vats in the next room for the ingredients. All you need to do is mix the liquids and you're ready to go. Oh crap, where'd I read that? Well, I guess the ones without voiceovers are important. Crap, I need to remember where I got those. Stupid song in my head. This was supposed to be the day for me to relax, and then of course I realized, oh yeah, I gotta have a video for tomorrow, so do it for you guys. Nah, I'm not doing this because I feel like I have to. I want to. Why wouldn't there be a bloody torso there? My god. Oh crap, it's gonna... God dang it. I'm sorry guys, jeez. I remember I told myself to stop apologizing, but that was for a different thing. This is, hang on, I gotta... There we go. That'll hold it off for a second. Hold on. Alright. We should be set now. There should be no more. Wait. The key was still there. That was weird. Let me think. Those huge barrels in one of the rooms. I was able to click one, but it said something. Okay, well, there's only 2 rooms now where these things could possibly be. It's the room I was just in, not that room right there, because that's the elevator machine room. You know what, I really think it's in the storage. I think I'm missing something in the storage. Just, why can't I find it? I don't really want a whole episode to go towards just me running around the same place. Oh well, I guess it is what it is, right? You guys just like watching my reactions. I will not leave this room until I find something part of my journey here. Dang it, no oil. I still have some London nom 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 nom. I have no idea how to say it. I would ask you guys how to say it, but I wouldn't really get an answer because all you guys can do is send me messages. Alright. Well, that's another dead end. That's the explosive. That's the place where I gotta put the explosive stuff. But where the heck? Oh, this was it. This was it. These things right here. God, I can't see. Is that a... Oh, thank you. Secondary. The valve has rusted shut. Please tell me one of these things... Wait, don't I have a bucket? I do have a bucket. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Wait, that's its secondary. I need the first one. So where's the other one? Oh man, my sanity is going down. It's going down. I sing a lot, if you haven't noticed. Oh god, you guys probably can't hear it, but when you're in the darkness, something starts cracking and it's really gross. God, where's the second thing? Give me a light. There we go. Need some oil. Partially filled pot is filled with one of the two ingredients. But where's the other one? Where's the other one? Probably somewhere else. It's probably in the other room. Oh yeah, maybe it's... I cannot see a thing. God. Was there a huge pot down this way? Oh, there wasn't. Equipment. Same exact room I was just in. Running in circles, 'cause it's what I do. Can't see a thing, Scooby-Doo. Why do all songs have to rhyme? Is that the only way, like, make a song? It's just, like, there has to be something that rhymes. I'm sure there are songs that don't rhyme, but most every song that I heard of. Alright, so there is no other pot. I should just stop wasting my time in this room and look in a different room. Sorry about that. Stupid cord. Well, where am I? Okay, so... where can I go that had a huge barrel to get the second mixture? Not equipment. That's just a storage. It's gotta be somewhere else then. I feel like I've searched everywhere. For all you people who like mastered the first Amnesia game and are like screaming at me right now saying, "Isn't that good? You're going the wrong way." Well, I'm sorry, okay? Crap, we got like 7 minutes left. Alright. Absolutely no oil. I Alright, I gotta think about what I gotta do. Maybe there's something in the study. The guest room, that was nothing. I figured out all that stuff right away. Alright, oh wait, the back hall scared... That study room scared the crap out of me with him. He was roaming the halls in that one. You know what? I think I'm hearing you guys. I think it is in that storage room because... why would a huge, like one of those huge barrel things be in a study? It's gotta be in storage. I just know it's gotta be. I lit this place up pretty well. Oh God, girl crying. Oh, this will light up. This is actually nice now. Except just the super dark hallways. You got to be somewhere in here. I just feel it. We learned something today, people. Wow, I can't believe I didn't see that. Sorry for wasting some time there. We have an explosive, and that's how we get through the barrier. That's loud. Okay, which way do I go for the... Which way do I go for the, Oh, yeah. Down the center way. I'm making progress, guys, and we still have tons of time. Yeah, so you will see some further progress. Don't stand too close to the blast, okay? Is he gonna do it? Do I have to chuck something at it? I gotta chuck something at it. There it goes. Oh boy. Ow. Crap. Hang on. Alright, that failed it. Okay. Did it. I did it, guys. Super creepy red now, but... Okay. I cannot see a thing. Absolutely no oil. Oh, there's only this door. I cannot. I couldn't see. God, that scared me. Oh, more from the girl. Okay, I didn't hear a thing. Oh, don't just drop me back in the darkness. Can't see. Can't see. Holy crap. Alright, whole other big room. This probably has the last two machine parts. Oh, this place is creepy. Oh! No. Guys, that face I just made will probably be thought of for a while, but I want you guys to know right now. Food storage, seriously? How am I supposed to get around with no oil? You know, I'm just gonna outrun him. Alright, I closed myself in this room. I was either really smart or really dumb. We will find out. I need to have a steady supply of tinder boxes, even though I only have 4 now. He's in that room. Ah! He just... Oh, that one was... He just slammed on the door, guys. Alright, I'm stopping it there. It's been the time limit. Oh, God, guys. Well, we made progress. I guess we'll get really far in the next episode. You got some scares out of me. Okay, guys. Peace. Salute. Yeah.
Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock and roll. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock